Dana and we are inside my pantry and I have just got done remodeling it.
As you know, I did a conversion of my wire shelves in collaboration with John Lewis Home, and I'm so excited. So I'm kind of revealing, but kind of not revealing, because I want to show you everything all done.
I went all in. I even did the pantry liners for the shelves. Okay, I want to show you what I'm doing. So this is the liner, and this is how long it is. And I'm just eyeing this up and kind of going against the wall that I just painted and cutting. And then we'll peel away the protective layer on the plastic, and the shelf is lined. And that's it. It's on. Just like that. Really fast and easy, and this is what's left.
But what I didn't realize is that's really not it. You have to do something else. Keep watching.
There's something important to know. It will come in and it will look like this. And I was kind of like, what? So this side is matted and this side, well, I peeled. But both sides need peeled because this is perfectly clear. Now, hello. So I should have thought of that, but I couldn't find the feed on the other side. So now, there's your little tip. All right, so call me bougie if you want to call me bougie, because mom life dictates something like this. You see, I'm not going to have to clean the floor. All I have to do is wipe these off. Look at that, it's so pretty. And you just put it down on the shelf and nobody can tell that it's there except me, because I'm not going to have to clean the crumbs off the floor. I can clean the liner. Mom life. I'm so excited. This is like a dream come true. So look how clear that is. Crystal clear and clean, the way I love it. And if I didn't tell you that these shelf liners were on here, you couldn't even tell. But look, they are. See, watch. That's awesome. Just make sure to peel both sides. And I have more to say about this. John Lewis Home really takes care of their customer, because in the end, they didn't have to make sure this was wrapped on both sides. It could have just been thrown in the package, because that's what a lot of places would do. But they actually had both sides and had it wrapped. That's what they provide. So what I'm getting at is there are products out there you could buy, but I want quality. I want luxury. I want something good at this point in my life that's going to work and not wear out, and that's going to be something that I feel is an elevated style, and that is John Lewis Home.
I just wanted to give my heartfelt thanks to John Lewis Home, because you guys rock. You did it again. Before, I worked with John Lewis Homes and we did these fabulous storage cubes, and those storage cubes changed the way that I could set up one of my rooms in my home. And now this is changing the way I can organize, access my food, and never worry about those flimsy wire shelves again. So guys, what I'm telling you is, if you are looking for a way to convert your shelves in your pantry, any wire shelves in your home, John Lewis Home is where you want to head to. You definitely want to make that order, because I want to make more orders. I just found another closet I forgot we had, and I'm definitely going to be doing that. All right, are you ready? Let's hope I don't pull that top thing down. So yes, the tools are still in there, but I'm going to pull those out and clean this all now. It needs vacuum and load it. So stay tuned.
It's the small things, I'm telling you. It's just the small things, and this is one of those. So, yep, recommending this. And it's, like I said, it's the little things. Stuff like this, whenever you find that you've got both sides wrapped and you're not gonna have any scratches, and you don't have to call the company and be like, hey, guys, I got scratches because you didn't package it. No, they already did that. They don't need the phone calls, and you don't need to make them. You can just live happily ever after like I am.